Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest trends and technologies in the world of design and creativity. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: Adobe Firefly, the groundbreaking generative AI tool introduced by Adobe in March 2023. So, let's dive in and discover how this innovative software is set to revolutionize the creative landscape. Overview of Adobe AI Firefly. For decades, Adobe has been at the forefront of design software, empowering creative professionals worldwide. But as the AI revolution unfolded, the company recognized the need to integrate artificial intelligence into its offerings to stay ahead of the game. To keep its position as the industry leader, Adobe took the leap into the world of AI. In March 2023, they announced their very own generative AI tool, Adobe Firefly. Introduction to Adobe Firefly. Adobe Firefly, with its imaginative name, represents a new era of creative possibilities. It's currently in beta mode, and Adobe users can join the beta program or join the Adobe Discord server to learn more. Firefly is poised to revolutionize the way Adobe users bring their ideas to life. With its enchanting glow, Firefly sets ablaze the imaginations of artists, designers, and creators, offering a captivating array of features and tools that push the boundaries of possibility. Revolutionizing design with Adobe Firefly. One of the standout features of Adobe Firefly is its text-to-image generation. No longer do you need to be a skilled designer. You can simply describe your vision, and Firefly will bring it to life in seconds. You can experiment and learn through this method, generating unique and precise images by writing descriptive prompts. In addition to its captivating name and overall creative potential, Adobe Firefly boasts an exceptional feature that sets it apart: its remarkable text-to-image generation capability. Expanding design possibilities with Adobe Firefly. But Firefly doesn't stop at text-to-image. It offers a range of exciting capabilities. With text prompts, you can generate text styles, textures, and even recolor vectors, making design variations faster and more efficient. Gone are the days of struggling to translate complex ideas onto a canvas or spending hours mastering intricate design techniques. With Firefly, the focus shifts to the power of language and the ability to articulate ideas effectively, allowing users to concentrate on the creative vision rather than the technical execution.
Before we move on, I just wanted to remind you that if you're enjoying this valuable content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we upload new and exciting videos.
Enhancing 3D designs with Adobe Firefly. And that's not all. Adobe has shared some future features we can expect from Firefly, such as in painting, text-to-vector, text-to-pattern, and even enhancing 3D designs with AI-generated images and textures. Firefly's integration of AI-generated images and textures into 3D designs holds immense potential for immersive and visually striking experiences. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, Firefly aims to enhance 3D designs by seamlessly blending them with AI-generated images and textures, imbuing them with an unparalleled level of realism and detail. Now, you might be wondering how Firefly's AI is trained. Adobe sources its training data from its own content library, Adobe Stock, ensuring that no copyrighted or infringing material is used. In fact, Adobe plans to compensate the suppliers of Adobe Stock images in the future. Adobe and Google collaboration. In an exciting collaboration, Adobe and Google announced that Firefly and Adobe Express Graphics Suite will be incorporated into Bard, Google's conversational AI service. This integration will enable users to generate, edit, and share AI images seamlessly. Now Google is providing a glimpse at how the technology will surface in Android and its apps. And so far, it looks like Google's approach is all about using generative AI to bring more customization and personalization options to mobile devices. Endless creative possibilities with Firefly. Imagine generating an image with Firefly, then enhancing and modifying it using Express with access to a vast collection of templates, fonts, and stock images. The possibilities for creating standout content are endless. With Adobe Firefly, anyone can tap into their creativity using their own words to generate stunning content across various mediums: images, audio, vectors, videos, and 3D designs, all brought to life through the power of AI. Thank you for joining us today as we delved into the exciting world of Adobe Firefly and the impact of generative AI on design and creativity. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember, with Adobe Firefly, the future of creativity is brighter than ever before. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.